If you want to place yourself or any subject over a new background, one of the easiest effects to learn in CapCut is Chroma Key. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Chroma Key in CapCut step by step, so you can remove a green screen background and replace it with any photo or video you want. This is perfect for YouTube edits, social media content, presentations, and creative videos. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project if you haven't already. The very first thing you need to do is import your media. Click the import button and bring in both your green screen footage and the background you want to use. That background can be a still image, a video clip, or even another scene from your project. Once both files are imported, you're ready to build the edit. Now, move to the timeline and arrange your clips correctly. Drag your background media onto the main video track, usually track 1. This is the layer that will sit behind everything else. Then place your green screen clip directly above it on the track above. This layering is important because Chroma Key works by removing the green from the top clip so the background underneath becomes visible. Next, click on the green screen clip on the timeline to make sure it's selected. Once it's highlighted, look at the editing panel in the top right corner of CapCut. From there, go to the Video tab and find the Remove BG option. Inside that section, you'll see the Chroma Key feature. Check the box to turn it on. After that, you need to pick the color you want CapCut to remove. Click the color picker, which looks like an eyedropper icon, and then click directly on the green area inside the preview window. CapCut will instantly detect that color and remove it from your clip. As soon as the green background disappears, your subject will be placed over the media underneath. If the edge doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry. In most cases, you can fine-tune the result by adjusting the settings around Chroma Key so the cutout blends better with the background. But even with just the basic steps, you can already get a clean and professional result very quickly. Once you've done that, play back the video to make sure everything looks right. Check that the subject is positioned correctly, the background is visible, and the green screen has been removed cleanly. If needed, you can trim the clips, move them around, or change the background until the composition looks exactly how you want it, and that's it. You now know how to use Chroma Key in CapCut. It only takes a few clicks once you understand the layering and the color selection process. This is one of the best effects for making your videos look more polished and creative, especially if you want to stand out on social media or YouTube. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy CapCut guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to improve the Chroma Key result with cleaner edges and better background blending in the next video.